What is a drone and how it will help in the future? A drone is a highly diverse machine with countless applications. It's a remote control aerial vehicle. Essentially, if any vehicle drives in a controlled way and nobody is on board, it is called a drone. It could be entirely controlled by computers, artificial intelligence, or by human beings. If we talk about the future of drones, the future looks bright indeed. Let's talk about the drone applications in the future. Drones are making our lives more manageable than before, while disrupting numerous industries. They are on their way to becoming the focal point of operation in most of the services sector. Drones are used in conditions where human presence is either risky or difficult. You can use drones to inspect new or dangerous locations such as caves, tunnels, or cliffs from a good distance by individuals using remote control systems. Today, the approach of drones is no longer limited to military operations. From photography to security, delivery, asset protection, rescue operations, disaster response, healthcare, agriculture, the use of UAVs is opening up new avenues of business and innovation with each passing day. Remotely piloted aerial systems serve as a very important tool in military applications like bomb detection, airstrikes, delivery, and last but not the least, archaeological surveys. Now let's dive in and discuss the top application of drones today in the modern world. At first, we have aerial photography. Beginners and even professional pilots use camera drones for aerial photography, filming, and 3D imaging. Quadcopters are made to hold weighty cameras in order to capture photos and make them in accessible locations. Aerial drone cameras are now commonly used in wedding shoots to eliminate the annoying photographers who flash their cameras in your face every time you go to the wedding. With the trend of personal drone camera on the rise, the time is near when you will be able to use a mini drone camera out of your backpack to take a perfect selfie or record your hiking through the hilly trails. The next application where drones are used is agriculture. Drones have significant applications in agriculture and farming. Drone technology is helping farmers to protect their crops by monitoring irrigation systems, pest migration paths, performance analysis, weather anomalies, and air quality. By using drones, farmers easily get updates on their crops as well. In the future, you'll be able to use drones to spray water and drop fertilizer over the crops at the right times. The next big application is search and rescue. Drones with thermal sensors are very common today to find a missing person. They are also used to drop stuff at locations where it's difficult to reach. Authorities can leverage drones in relief operations as well as in emergency network aid. The next big application is construction. Drones are now being used in the construction industry. The application of drones includes inspection of huge structures, perimeter patrol, surveying, security, and 2D and 3D imaging. Aerial monitoring in the future will offer improved performance, more efficiency, and major advancement in the construction projects. Drones offer exact project estimates. Another interesting application is shipping and delivery. The most innovative drone application has the capability to carry heavy payloads. This feature has been harnessed and used for delivery applications. The use of drones enhances safety and ensures the secure delivery of your desired products. People get instant doorstep deliveries for the required items. Food deliveries and local transportation of household items through the drones have reduced human labor and reduced the delivery time. Another important application of drones is firefighting. Quadcopters can help contain fire outbreaks in the urban or rural areas without putting human life in danger. Drones quickly monitor and assess heavy fires, eliminating the need of any helicopter-based surveillance. Thermal drones can see through the dark to find hot spots to ensure public safety. Hence, it is always preferable to send drones first to the fire to check the situation and then take the appropriate actions. We hope you found this video informative and are now aware of the important applications of drones. This is just the beginning as more and more industrial and domestic applications of drones are come to the limelight. Drones might become the crucial to our lives in our future as smartphones are today. Well, this was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Let us know about your opinion in the comment section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe and we will be back soon with another video.